So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Okay, so you can see the picture here on our board. So what we are discussing today? We are discussing a topic: good habits and bad habits in students' life. Okay, so just we have to break our bad habits and build our good habits. And you are students, so you know what are the good habits and bad habits for you. Okay, and every person has a good habit and every person has a bad habit. Okay, so sometimes we have to tackle our bad habits and we have to grow our good habits. Okay, so one by one we will start this video here for a presentation format. Okay, just I am inviting two-person, okay, two students at a one time, and just you can discuss about the good habits and bad habits in students life, and you can ask question to each other. Okay, about what are the good habits and what are the bad habits, you already know. Okay, one by one I will call. So this video will be just like a presentation and conversation both format. Okay, first I am inviting Harshit Agrawal and Divyansh. Okay, Harshit Yadav and Harshit Agrawal. Okay, so please come first. And if you like, if you watch this video, so please do like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Okay.
So hello everyone, I am Harshit Agrawal.
And I am Harshit Yadav.
So welcome to our channel Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. And today we both are here to presenting a conversation or discussion on the topic break bad habits and build good habits. So let's start. So we know that the bad and good habits is the type of habits that we can found easily in each person.
Yes, I agree with you. And then Harshit tell about the good habits. Then I will tell about the bad habits. Bad habits are those habits that affect our personality and decrease the popularity in the new school or the college or the tuition.
Yes, I am agree with you. And the good habits are those habits that make us perfect. That make us perfect. Like if we respect to someone, so it's also a good habit. And if we always respect our teachers, so it's also a good habit. And we all know that we are students, so we should always maintain a good habits, not bad habits.
Yes, I agree with you. But can you give some example of good habits?
Yes, I can give like always respect and always respect anyone. And second, always keep handkerchief on your mouth while sneezing. And that's all. And can you please tell me some bad habits?
Yeah, I can surely tell you. The bad habits are the chewing the nails and disobey the elders and don't obey our parents, etc.
So I am agree with you. And my next question is that can you please say some bad habits that generally we can found in students' life?
Yeah, there are many different type of bad habits we generally see in our students' life. That I have seen in exam that many children do cheating with others. It's a bad habit because cheating is not good for us, and cheating gives nothing. But if we are good and we do with our mind, so it is helpful for our mind. It increase our concentration. Next, my question is that how do we conserve the bad habits?
Can conserve the bad habits by always obey to our parents and teachers, always maintain discipline in classes, and don't do cheating. And we should sit properly and don't give abuses, and don't discussion to everyone while class.
So my next question is that have you ever have a bad habit?
No, but I have some bad habits like uh, said- like uh, like like when I need, so I have to say, I have to tell a lie to everyone. So that is my bad habit.
So how do you conserve it?
I am trying to conserve it, but we know that it is also necessary.
Yeah, I agree with you. And can you ask me a question?
Uh, so how we can maintain good habits?
There are many ways. There are many ways in which we can maintain our bad habits. First is that do respect our elders, and every morning bless and take blessing from our parents, and always obey our parents. Can you agree with my points of view?
I am agree with your points of view that to tell in right manner how we can break our bad habits. Our wallpaper also showed our topic, and now I will tell you how we can build our good habits. So we can build our good habits by always listening words of our elders carefully. Always respect them. Always give always give greetings to them while morning, and always take blessing by them.
Yeah, you are right. And our in our coaching, the sir is also tell about maintaining our gesture, posture, and manner that we have to do in front of someone. Can you agree?
Yes, yes, I am agree with you. And if and my next question is that do you have some bad habit?
Yeah, I have a bad habit that I sometimes I all sometimes means I am was a angry person because uh, because I can't handle my anger.
Okay, so do you so you have to just do meditation in the morning time. So next question is that my next question is that what type of good habits do you have?
There are many different type of good habits I have, that I respect my parents. I also do meditation, and I also do exercise. And do you have good habits?
Yes, I have many good habits, like I always obey to our elders. So so in conclusion, so we discuss in a right manner that about the good habit and bad habit. So now I am inviting Aradhya and Tejal.
So, good evening, everyone. I am Aradhya. I'm Tejal.
So Aradhya and Tejal, you have to ask question to each other. What are the good habits? Do you know? Okay. And bad habits also.
So, there are many bad habits in our students' life. So, to break down the bad habits, they are also taking their elders, teachers, and parents' help. The bad habits are in a student are like telling lie to his or her teacher about their homeworks, test preparation, or anything else. Because in this childhood, we are having fear that if I will that if I tell the truth that I have not prepared, that I am not prepared for it, so that my teacher my teacher can be so much mad at me. So for that they are telling the lies, and slowly they are developing in this. For this, their teachers are also giving them punishment.
So yeah, I agree with Aradhya. And first of all, let me tell you that what are good habits? Good habits are the habits which we must have, and in our childhood they are very important, because if we don't have good habits, so no one will teach us good habits in our adulthood. So we are learning good habits from our teachers, parents in our childhood, and we must have good habits. And if I talk about the good habits, there are so many good habits, like we should respect our parents, teacher, and elders, and we should talk politely towards other. And if we have good manners, so we have good personality also. And I have a question to Aradhya, that if somebody is not behaving good towards the grandparents, and but still they are improving them, so what kind of habit?
So it's a bad habit because they are trying to change it, but if they are not able to change it, so it's a bad habit because uh, it's our responsibility, and it's our manners also to to talk very politely to our elders, and grandparents are our elders only who are giving us the information about their life, and also telling us the life lessons. I also have one question for you, Tejal, that had you ever have any bad habit?
Yeah, earlier I have so many bad habits, but I improved them. But I have one bad habit, when I wake up, so I never wish my parents, and when I sleep, when I go into my bed, I never wish my parents. So that is our my bad habit. So we can learn that from it, that we must give greetings to our parents also if we are giving greetings to our teachers.
Okay, so can you explain more? Can you explain bad habits and good habits in detail, in a brief detail?
Okay. So I would like to explain this in a example form, like one student is not focusing nicely to in the class, but teacher is explaining something important. But once he saw that some teacher is explaining something important, so he start focusing. So he done both the things. He have bad habits and good habits, so we should improve our good habits and good habits, and we should break our bad habits, as you can see in our wall. So I have one question to ask. If you have any bad habit, so are you improving that bad habit, good habit?
Yes, I am. Like, I have a very bad habit to talk in a class, and for that, I am also getting some kind of messages from my teachers that do not talk. You should focus. You are focusing, that's good, but you should also focus during the classes. So I am improving in it, and I am not trying to talk them. And if I am talking, so I'm taking the permission of my teachers or the monitors who are in the class.
Okay, so if I talk about the good habits, that there are so many good habits, like we should tell truth to everyone, and we should talk politely to everyone, and if somebody wants help, so we should help to that person, and if somebody need something that you can do, so we should always do for them, because everyone is equal, and we should give respect to each and everyone. If somebody is small from us, so we should give respect to them also. As we saw that, if I talk about the bad habit, like in my school, there is one girl, she is in ninth class, but she never respect any of the student, even their her elders, and her the junior students. So so we can learn from that, we should talk politely to everyone, and we should respect everyone.
And if I talk about bad habits, they are they are not good in our life, but sometimes bad habits are also helping us to improve ourselves and get to know help us to get to know that what are our bad habits and how can I fix it. So now we would like to call Christy and Manvi. Thank you.
So good evening to all. I am Anvi Shishodia from 8th standard, and she is Christy. Today we are going to discuss, and as you can see in our previous students. So firstly, I want to say what is habit. So habit is like that thing that we can do in our daily life or in our basic life. Like in that we have to discuss about bad habits and good habits in students' life. So I want to ask you that if there is bad habit in student life, so it is hard to break it or easy?
Um, I think when the student
is grown up, so it takes them more time, and it is not that much easy when that when we try to break that habit. So it is break at the first time. We have to concentrate, and we have to concentrate on that habit, that we are not doing that bad habit. We have to avoid that only, and it will not take just like 2 or 3 days, and after 2 or 3 days it will be removed and break from our life. So I think it will take a lot of time. And so now I am continuing my topic a bit, and after it I have a question here. So the good habits and bad habits both play a very important role, because by the help of bad habits they learn how to cover up things, and because they have the bad habits, they can also recognize, and they can also think, and they will know how to cover up anything, or how can we look after it, or go on after that. And now just like good habits also play a very important role, because good habits also good habits also shows the discipline of the student too. And now my question is to Manvi, that what do you think, that if the student is not having any type of good habits, so what will impact them?
So if the student have not any good habits, so the impact was very bad, because nowadays good habit is very important for each and every student, because by this we can improve our impression in front of everyone. Good habits is very important, because in student life we are study. So in study, good habits are very important. Like if there are some bad habits in students, like they delay their work for the next day, do not complete that, only written by the copy of someone, and that's not good habit. So the impression was very bad. So my next question is, how can we break our bad habits, and how can we build good habits?
Okay, so how can we break our bad habits? First of all, as I told earlier, that we should avoid our bad habits, and we should try to change them, break them, and we should always concentrate on the good habits. And we should also see ourselves too, just like in the schools, as some people wear wrong uniform, and not they're not listen to their teachers, so it's not good. They need to do everything, because they are bad habits. And now, as the part of the conclusion, I would like to say that we should all break our bad habits and build our good habits. So now I am going to invite Kush and Harsh. Thank you.
So first of all, very good evening everyone. I am Harsh.
Hello everyone, I am Kush.
Today we all are here doing a debate on breaking bad habits and good habits. And I am in the favor of good habits.
And I am in the favor of bad habits.
Now I am telling out good habits in student life. There are so many good habits in student life that change our student into a special and successful man. And there are some example of good habits are uh, doing work properly, and don't argue to anyone, and obey everyone. And now I am asking a question to question, how we can stop bad habit.
We can break bad habits to build by building good habits, and good habits will build by many examples, like obeying teacher, don't abuse, and etc. Harsh, now I am asking you a question, that do you cheat in exam?
No, I am not doing cheating, and because I am not a cheater. And now I ask a question to you. If we can break a bad habit, you, so what your opinion? If we can break bad habits, so what people are doing? Because we all know everyone have a bad habit, and now what you have a bad habit?
I have a bad habit, that
I have a bad habit. Same Harshit Agrawal. I tell a lie when I was in danger. So Harshit, now I have a point that good habits are obviously necessary for everyone, but bad habits are also necessary because in childhood age, because when we do bad habits in childhood age, so our elders understand us that what is good and what is bad.
Do you want to ask me a question? Now I am asking you a question, and you all know everyone have a bad habit. So so and the God is seen everyone comes, and the bad habits comes, bad habits including comes. So how we gonna stop it?
I have told you that some examples, and can you please tell me tell me some examples of bad habits and good habits?
Yes. Now I'm telling you about some bad habits example. Now I am telling about some bad habits example. Doing cheating in exam, and that's all. Now I would like to invite Ayush and Sri.
So hello everyone, all our dear friends. So today I am Ayush Mistry and I am Shreyan. So today we both are going to present a dual topic on good habits and bad habits. So let's start.
So here I am presenting the role of good habit and he is presenting the role of bad habit. So first I would like to tell you that what are good habits. So good habits are those habits which is very important and which show the personality in front of other, and we learn good habits from our society, because a society is only where we learn our habits. And good habits, for an examples, to obey our elders. Thank you.
And I want to tell you about bad habits. So bad habits are that type of habits that decreases the manner of a children or an adult person, that the other person didn't like that person. And the bad habits or is that habits that irritates other person and decreases the question of other words. So now, Shri, I want to ask you a question. So my question is that which kind of good habits do you have?
I am having some good habits. For an examples, I always respect to elders.
So yes, you have said this question. So my another question to you is that how many people do you like in the class who perform good manners or good habit?
In this, there are many students who perform good in the way of manners and habits. So, and now I would like ask you that what are the 5 bad habits you are having and what are the 5 good habits you are having?
So talking about good habits, so sometimes I become very kind to animals and also to the all other persons, and sometimes I do work without talking about it, and sometimes I help other pupils in helping their work or doing their work. That is my four good habits. Now I will tell you about my 4 bad habits. So sometimes I don't mark my mistake and don't judge my wrong words. So now I am calling Ishika and Preeti the stage.
So good evening to all of you. I am Paridhi and she is Ishika. So today we are here to do a discussion on the topic good habits and bad habits. So firstly, what are habits? So habits are those things that we do in our daily life and that are present in our nature. And there are two types of habits: good habits and bad habits. And bad habits are those habits in our nature that are very bad, and that someone don't like.
Hello, I am Ishika, and there are two types of habit, like bad habit and good habit. Habit are things that we do in our daily life. Good habit decide our future. Good habit like don't your nails, take bath daily, respect to elders, love to youngers, and greeting elders, parents, and teachers. And if we have good habits, all person give respect to us and talk properly, and they also behave with us in good manner. We should have a good manner.
So good habits. So the examples of bad habits are not obeying our parents, and doing not doing brush on time, and etc. So Ishika, I want to ask you a question that if we are in class and the teacher is explaining that topic that we know about that, so we are discussing with our friends, not about the topic, we are discussing just any other things. So it is a good habit or it is a bad habit?
It is a bad habit because we are talking. And I have a question for you. What are the effect of bad habit in our personality?
So there are many bad effects on our personality because of bad habits, like our personality becomes low in front of anyone, and if we are somewhere where we have gone, so if we are doing any bad habits and our mother scolds us, so it is a very bad habit in front of us, and our image will become low in front of anyone. So I want to invite Shivansh and Yashraj.
So good evening all of you and respected sir. I am Mr. Adam and we are both here to present our topic on good habits and bad habits in student's life. And I am telling about bad habit and he is telling about good habit.
Habit is a routine we do in our life. And yes, Raj, give me some example of bad habits.
So, bad habit is a habit that is not good for a student. It become bad in a student life. And some example of bad habit is abusing to others, and not respecting our teachers and elders. What about you?
Yes, you also right. And the good habits good habits may lead to our life success, and the bad habit lead to our life failure. And please, and some, and do you agree? And the lie is a good habit and bad habit.
Actually, according to me, yes. Actually, according to me, lie is some on some places is good for other help, or and the lie is also good, is also bad on some places. Now I want to invite Arnav and Siddharth.
So, first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Arnav Agrawal. So, I am here to present a topic on good habits, and he is presenting a topic on bad habits.
I am Siddhartha.
Good habits is important for a student life because it is helps to achieve goals and it's makes our life happy and good habits make a person good. And you tell about bad habits.
Bad habits are those habits which we can do bad, like shouting on others for without reasons. So Arnav, tell me what are good habits?
Good habits is don't shout on everyone and we don't say lie to others and don't shout, say politely. It is example. These are examples of good habits. Tell about examples of bad habits.
Bad habits we are shouting on others for without reason. In bad habits, we don't complete our work. We only talk in class and play games with our friends. And now I am inviting Divyans and Garv.
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in 8th standard.
So good evening to all. I am a Divyansh Rawat from class 9. So today I want to tell you bad habits. So please tell some good habits.
There are so many good habits like help someone, respect, to always be calm and respect to everyone, and we think goods. So you can tell bad habits.
So bad habits are those habits that we behave badly to other person. Like there are so many bad habits are like like do not respect elder person, don't obey other, and if and cheat exam and chewing chewing gum in the class. So this is also a bad habit. So now please tell some idea to improve our good habit.
Like help. I am help to someone, obey elder, and etc. To what is so you can tell what is bad habits and good habits.
So we all know what's bad habits and good habits are those habits that we behave good manner in the other person, like that always respect our parents, elders person, and we should always respect our and juniors, because that is also a good manner. If we talk about bad manner, like if we talk about elder person, so some teachers also leak the exams in the school, so that's very bad. Sorry.
So ठीक है. So that's all. So now I am inviting a Purvi.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Purvi Soni. So today my topic is bad habit and good habit. Good habit is very important in our life. Good habit just like don't chew your nails, respect our elders and teacher, etc. is good habit. And I am telling about bad habits. Bad habits is very bad in our life, and bad habits just like chewing nails, don't respect elders, etc. And I say to all people, break bad habit and build good habit. Thank you.
So that's all. So all the students have covered the topic good habits and bad habits. Okay. So do you have any cross questioning? Okay. So if you have any question or doubt, so you can tell me or you can ask me. Okay. Okay. Yes, Paridhi. What's your question? Actually, we can break habits by using some good words. Okay. In our life, we can positive sometimes. Yes. Teachers need. Okay. Actually, there is a very good question. Okay. Teachers need actually just don't waste of time, and please be careful on time. Means just class on the time. Just take class on the time, and don't waste time in other things. Okay. And don't beat the students also. Yeah, Christy. Actually, if you want to live your life according to you, okay, so this is not your bad habit actually, but you have to carefully with your words, carefully with your actions. Okay. Yes, Tejal, what's your question? Actually, you have to maintain some you have to take some decisions, and you have to obey your parents, you have to obey your teachers. That's all. Yes. Do bad habits. Yes, it's of course it's an seriously impact in your life if you do, just like if you abuse, so it's totally affect your life, your society, your friend circle. Yes, Christy. No, actually it can be applicable for both of us. Okay. And junior and senior, both of us, both of them, sorry. Okay, you are telling just so many students are senior classes like 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, so they don't respect teachers. So actually they have some bad behaviors, and they have some bad things. Actually means their parents have to carefully with their students also. Actually we cannot make them realize for that kind of students. Just yeah, they will realize according to the time, and after the situation of life sometimes changes, so it all automatically realizes. Yes. Actually bad habits affects our personality totally. Sometimes we abuse, sometimes we use wrong words, sometimes we beat or kill. Any kind of activity we do bad habits. Okay, so it's totally affect our personality, because you know our personality matters. Okay, so right now we have completed this video here, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And yes, Kus, just tell the quote.
You can change your habit from bad to good, but you cannot change your student, but you cannot gain your student life again. So please break bad habits and build good habits. Thank you.
Yeah, very good. Clapping for Kush. Okay, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, so we will continue with next video. Okay, goodbye.